Hi guys, here is how you can create free QR codes for your project. For that, go to our website, heyletslearnsomething.com, go to Applications, and you will find QR Maker/Reader, click on it. Here is it. With this decode QR code, you can simply upload the QR code, and all the QR content will appear here. You can create a Wi-Fi QR. Input the SID, write the password, security type, and choose if hidden network or not. Here is for website URL, for social media, for Facebook, YouTube, etc. You can also create a vCard, phone QR, SMS QR, email QR. You can also create QR for events, QR for Google ratings, and for the Google Play Store or App Store. Let me create a website QR. I will copy this, paste it here, and generate QR. And here is the QR code. You can preview the QR code. Now you can right-click and save it to your desktop. You can also decode any QR code. Simply go to this Decode tab. Choose File. And this is the QR code. So here is the content of the QR code, and this decoding will work with most of the QR codes. Anyway, we hope this video was useful to you. Thank you very much.